Hello, and welcome to another update video about LINK. The LINK chart is making progress at the moment. Yeah, we talked in the last videos about the idea that LINK is likely still in this B wave, circle wave B, before another dip down into that orange support area should ideally happen. Again, should is not will, but it is my idea, it is my primary scenario for the following reasons. So anybody who missed the previous videos, the idea is that LINK could be moving in something that we would call a leading diagonal, not an impulse, but a leading diagonal, in which LINK formed a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, a wave 3 to the upside, could now really be in this wave 4 correction with one more high to come in a wave 5. Oftentimes, in diagonals, the traders follow trend lines. So I've added trend lines for this trend channel, parallel trend channel in which LINK might be moving. So it seems quite reasonable to assume that the lower trend line will be tested in wave 4. That could happen around $11. You know, there's also the 38.2 retracement level, which is an ideal target for a wave 4. The idea is therefore that we are forming 5 waves to the upside. That will be my assumption as long as the $9.50 support level is holding. That is the breakout point that LINK used to break out basically and did overcome back in October. Yeah, so that is the upper boundary line of that crazy range in which LINK was moving for over a year. 1.5 years nearly, I think. Okay. So now that you know that we are likely in a 4th wave in a potential 5-wave pattern, the idea is that LINK already completed the A wave in this correction when it hit our support area for the first time here. The B wave is unfolding right now in an overall A, B, C structure. I mentioned to you that we need to prepare for an overshooting or at least high B wave. I gave you a resistance area for that B wave, which is between roughly $16 and $18.30. B waves can overshoot, especially if the A wave is a 3-wave structure. Can I rule out that the all of wave 4 is already in? No, but it would be, let's say, unreliable at this stage. Without further evidence, I wouldn't believe that because the wave 4 is a little bit too shallow. Okay. Also time-wise in duration, not really long enough. So therefore, and also because the movement to the upside of the wave A low isn't really impulsive, my take is that we are likely just in a B wave. There's a bit of a breakout point here around, what is it, $15.50, yeah, $15.40. Those previous small swing highs in wave B and this smaller degree wave A. So if we can overcome that, then it would be confirmation that we are in this C wave of circle wave B on our way into the resistance area with probably strong resistance around the November high, which was here around $16.50. And then the green line, which is structural resistance around $18.20. And it is also the 1.38 Fibonacci retracement of the A wave to the downside. That is a typical barrier for an overshooting B wave. So these are the next levels to watch should we push higher. And eventually one more low into the orange support area is expected. Targeting, I mean, from what I can say now, it might be around $11, but that might change depending on how high the B wave really goes. That's my update about LINK. That should give you all the parameters you need to know. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.